up, guys? So behind me I got the 1995 Chevy S10. I just bought it, and so far I'm still fixing it. So let's do a recap. Before, the brakes weren't working at all. I had a leaky brake line and I ended up fixing it. Now the brakes are sticking. I replaced the brake pads and everything, but I'm gonna replace the brake caliper. I already replaced the brake hose, so now I'm gonna replace the brake caliper. That's where I'm at with this. So let's begin. Always use jack stands. Here's the caliper. I'm guessing these are seizing up. I already replaced the pad. I replaced this hose right here, and it's still sticking. So what we're gonna have to do is I'm gonna take the whole caliper off. Should be easy. Let's do it. Put that under for the brake fluid in case it spills. We're going to be using a 3/8 square bit. Is that loose? Take my new brake pads off because they're still new. Just gonna put that right there. That's the old one. There's a couple cobwebs in it. I can smell the burning of the rubber. Alright, next we're going to take off the brake line with a 10mm. I'm going to hold it over my drain. Let's try 11. There we go. See the brake fluid coming out? Yep. Alright, let's get our new caliper. So do the same process, the opposite. Just pull these sliders out. Let's put our brakes in. Untangle my brake hose. I could already tell this is going to work much better because I think the other one's sliders were just locked. Okay, now that that 10mm brake line hose is secured, we can tighten it. There we go. Alright. Now we gotta bleed the brakes. To bleed the brakes, there's a little bleeder valve right here. Take off the rubber cap. This is going to be a 10mm bleeder screw. Now, we go in here, pump the brakes. Let the air out. Make sure y'all check the fluid level. How you install a new caliper on a 1995 S10. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to spray it with this cleaner, just because I know I probably touched the rotors with my greasy hands. So. I'm going to put my core so I can get a refund, or $10 core fee. Oh my gosh, my driveway. that's it, guys. So now all you do is put your tire back on. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be coming out with more stuff for this Chevy S10. And I will see you guys next time. Peace and God bless.